When it comes to increasing your home's resale value, many homeowners in Dallas are looking for improvements that will make a lasting impact. One of the most effective ways to boost your home's marketability and appeal is through window installation. New windows do more than just improve aesthetics, they can enhance energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. Whether you plan to sell soon or want to ensure your home remains competitive in the market, upgrading your windows can be one of the smartest investments you make. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Dallas is known for its hot summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Old, inefficient windows can allow heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, causing your air conditioning and heating systems to work harder. This leads to higher energy bills and an uncomfortable living environment. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can improve insulation and reduce the amount of energy required to regulate the temperature inside your home. Modern windows with double or triple glazing, low E-glass coatings, and argon gas between the panes are designed to keep heat in during winter and block unwanted heat during the summer. This can result in significant savings on your utility bills, something that prospective buyers in Dallas will appreciate when considering your home. Energy efficiency is a key selling point for many buyers, and homes with updated, energy-efficient windows can stand out in the competitive Dallas market. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes that will save them money on utilities, making your home more attractive if you've already made the upgrade. Enhanced curb appeal. The exterior appearance of your home plays a crucial role in attracting potential buyers. Windows are a focal point of your home's exterior and can significantly impact its curb appeal. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or covered in peeling paint, they can make your home appear neglected, even if the interior is in pristine condition. Installing new windows can immediately give your home a fresh, modern look. Whether you opt for sleek, contemporary designs or more traditional styles, new windows can complement your home's architecture and give it a polished, updated appearance. Additionally, new windows can enhance the natural light inside, making your home feel brighter and more inviting, two factors that are particularly appealing to buyers. The more visually appealing your home is, the more likely it is to attract potential buyers. Upgrading your windows can be an affordable way to refresh your home's look without the need for major renovations. Increased home security. Security is a top concern for homebuyers, and windows play a significant role in a home's overall security. Older windows may have outdated locking mechanisms or weak frames that could be vulnerable to break-ins. If your windows are difficult to open or close, this can also be a safety concern in case of an emergency. Installing new windows can improve your home's security by providing stronger frames, more secure locks, and better overall functionality. Many modern windows come with advanced security features, such as impact-resistant glass or multi-point locking systems, which can give potential buyers peace of mind. When buyers feel confident in the safety of your home, they're more likely to be interested in making an offer. Low maintenance and longevity. Old windows, especially those made of wood, can require a lot of maintenance to keep them looking good and functioning properly. They may need to be painted regularly, sealed, or repaired to prevent issues like warping, rotting, or moisture damage. This can be a turn-off for buyers who want a low-maintenance home. Newer windows, especially those made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass, are designed to be low maintenance and long-lasting. They resist issues like peeling, cracking, or fading, meaning future homeowners won't need to spend time or money maintaining them. This is a huge selling point, as buyers prefer homes that don't require constant upkeep. The longevity of modern windows also reassures buyers that they won't need to replace them for many years to come. Higher appraisal value. When you decide to sell your home, one of the key factors in determining its market value is the appraisal process. Appraisers will assess the overall condition and quality of your home, including the windows. Homes with newer, high-quality windows can often receive higher appraisal values, which means you may be able to sell your home for more than you would if you kept the old, inefficient windows. If you invest in high-end window materials or energy-efficient models, this can be reflected in the appraisal value, ultimately helping you get a higher price for your home. When you consider the return on investment, ROI, of window installation, it's one of the more cost-effective upgrades you can make. Appeal to modern buyers. Today's home buyers are more discerning than ever. They're looking for homes that offer comfort, convenience, and long-term value. New windows fit this profile perfectly. Many buyers are specifically looking for homes with modern features like energy-efficient windows, which can help reduce their environmental impact and save on energy bills. Installing new windows can make your home more attractive to this demographic and help it stand out in the marketplace. Buyers in Dallas are increasingly interested in homes that are energy-conscious, cost-efficient, and low-maintenance. By installing new windows, you can make your home more appealing to modern buyers and increase the chances of a successful sale. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home in Dallas. Whether you're looking to sell soon or simply want to ensure your home maintains its value over time, new windows can help boost resale value, increase energy efficiency, and improve curb appeal. With the right windows, you can create a home that's not only more comfortable to live in but also more attractive to potential buyers. If you're thinking about selling your home or want to make an investment in its future, window installation is a smart choice that can pay off in the long run.